So here our quiz we are making ready for you, in which we will be entering a question and we will be uh, uh, entering the answer of that question and the choices and show you how it appears in the drop down automatically, right? So what we do is, since our question is related to the SAP GUI Scripting and VBA, so and this is the chapter which is going almost 6 or 7 questions, or six, I think, 4, 5, 6, right? So let's add. So how many? These are the count is 6. So 6 questions you have in this quiz. You see, 1 of 6 has been attempted here. Okay, 6. This 6 is related to the count of this chapter in there. So now we are going to add a new question. So since we are adding a question regarding the SAP GUI scripting, so we will insert the row here and we will copy this down. Yeah. Okay. And here we will copy this as well down. Okay. And here we are going to write the question. Here we are going to write the question that which of the following SAP GUI script uh, exits you, exits, that is F3. You remember in SAP, when you press F3 function key, exits from, it exits from the current screen or program, right? Okay, which of the following? Okay, so the right answer we will put here, and here we will give some choices. One of them has to match with this right answer. Okay, so I don't remember what is that exactly the script is. Hmm? So how can I write this question? Because I know it's very easy. I will go to my program and go to the execute, and I will go to the assign macro. I will go to edit it, and here plenty of time this key has been used. Yeah, on air. Yeah, this is exiting. You know, on air this is exiting. Okay? So each time when it is starting, it is making sure that if some screen is left open, so let it go out and take it 3 times at least to uh, to the position where we can enter the T code, right? Say now here the T codes are being entered, right? And when in the end, when there is a OK button shown, after the OK button, it is going to what? To do the F3 again to make sure that uh, the program is exited, right? It exits and it displays the process complete, right? So this is where uh, after this it will exit everything. It will exit. It will press F3, and F3 command we have copied already. Okay, we have shown you that what is the F3 command. This is the F3 command. It is being used in the do while and making sure that the SAP Easy Access screen is not active. Excuse me. This is the title of the text of the window. If it gets to SAP Easy Access, it means it has reached to the our desired position. So this is the do while loop once the OK button is pressed, right? So let's press this and put that back into our quiz. And here we want us to enter the answer. This is the answer, right? And one of these things, these choices has to be the right answer. Let's press Control V, sorry, F2, Control V, Control Enter. Okay, so we decide, okay, we take this on the first choice as the right answer, and here we say we say 12 maybe or 0. This is for and 5, for example, this. But this is the right answer, that it sends the key to 3, and this is going to match. Now let's see how does it appear in our quiz, right? So what we do here is we select SAP GUI Scripting, okay? Automation, it is, I think, this one, automation using SAP GUI Scripting. What is the name? The name of the chapter is VBA and SAP GUI Scripting. This is the chapter name. Okay, let's see the VBA and the SAP GUI Scripting. Right. So this is now 7. Okay. Now you have 7 questions. Each time when you attempt to share, which of the following command is equivalent to pressing F8, execute? F8 is this, I think. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, it is actually this, right? Okay. So it has deducted 1.5 marks out of my score. Okay. Now, which of the following commands is equivalent to striking enter key? Enter key is this. Yes. Okay. And this is the command, my T code. In the above statement is a variable that contains the SAP transaction code. That's right. Okay. So we have attempted so far. Okay. And on those right now go sub command calls a subroutine within a sub procedure. Which of the following is not a subroutine within executed? Yes, of course, this is a subroutine, this is subroutine, this is not a subroutine, right? Okay, so return. Will it terminate the program? No. The return statement, it returns back the control to the columns. That's the right, okay? And a set of input parameters and filters that you define to view specific subsets of data of a report is called a variant, right? It's called a variable, right? Okay. Which of the following SAP GUI script exit F3 from means exit or equivalent to F3 from current screen? So this is the question which we added. This is the question number 7 as well. Okay. So what we did. So what is the F3 equivalent? Of course, it is this. That's right. Okay. So you have completed it. Okay. So this is the quiz file. The link of this file is available in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.